Quick reading for May the 1st, May the 2nd, Leo. Your cards are the Five of Wands, the Six of Coins, and the Ace of Cups. So meron ditong parang mainit ang ulo, no? Parang feeling ko nga ginantihan mo rin si person. Kung ano yung ginawa niya, ginawa mo rin. Um, Ngayon, parang same na yung energy, whether this is same energy ng galit or same energy or intensity ng pagmamahal. With the Six of Coins kasi, parang meron na rin kayong agreement or transaction na verbal man ito, written, or what have you, or parang talagang, ang tawag dito, yung silent or non-verbal no, na agreement. Kung ano yung gagawin mo, yun din yung gagawin ko. So, kung bibigyan mo ako ng love, love din ang ibabalik ko. Pero that depends no, sa love. Kung 50% ng love, then what you'll get is 50% din. So, nakakatakot lang, Leo, kasi kung talagang sumigaw naman si person, ayan na, hindi lang sigaw ang maririnig nila, roar, no? So this is your quick reading for May the 1st to May the 2nd, Leo.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.